In 2020, Elon Musk's companies and the media company, Threads Tax, began to engage in a heated legal dispute. This legal dispute revolves around the ownership and control of a website domain related to Tesla Motors. The website, Tesla Motors, was an unregistered web page created by Threads the Inside Story, with the intent of generating revenue. Musk's companies, Tesla Motors, and SpaceX, had recently gone through a significant restructuring, and he had also acquired the necessary permits to begin selling Tesla's vehicles in Europe. Citing these events, Musk's legal team argued that the website domain, and all associated intellectual property rights, was owned by Musk and that they had superior rights to the website. Threads the Inside Story rejected these claims, claiming that they had the right to use the Tesla Motors website in its existing form without interference. Threads argued that it had previously reached a tacit agreement with Musk's companies in 2015 that allowed it to use the Tesla Motors website as it was. Additionally, they argued that Musk's company was not sufficiently registered as a corporate entity at the time, so its claims were invalid. With these two conflicting sides, Musk's legal team took the matter to court, filing a suit against Threads the Inside Story. In the suit, Musk's team asserted that Threads the Inside Story was in violation of trademark laws by using the Tesla Motors name without permission. To support this assertion, they provided evidence that the website domain had been registered in part to Tesla Motors just days prior to the restructuring. Threads, on the other hand, argued that they had not received any monetary compensation for the website and had no knowledge of Tesla Motors' ownership of the domain. They also argued that the website was a valuable asset and a tool for engaging potential customers, which had been set up according to their own specifications. This escalated the tension between Tesla and Threads and increased the amount of legal wrangling between the two. An exchange of legal briefs ensued, and each side argued its case. The matter was eventually referred to a court-appointed third party to oversee the proceedings and make a final ruling. The court-appointed third party ruled that Threads the Inside Story was in violation of trademark laws and awarded Musk's company's ownership of the website domain and full control over the intellectual property associated with it. He ruled that Threads had gained no rights or legal standing to the website domain and had, in fact, infringed on Musk's intellectual property rights. Following this ruling, Musk's company took full legal ownership of the website and reportedly sought damages from Threads the Inside Story for their unauthorized use. Threads the Inside Story appealed the decision, but the appeals court upheld the initial ruling. Musk's companies subsequently gained control of the website domain and were free to continue to use it as they wished. Moreover, they began to seek reimbursement for the sales and marketing expenses they had incurred in connection with the website domain since acquiring the necessary permits to operate in Europe. This legal process demonstrated Musk's determination to protect his intellectual property rights and to salvage his company's reputation. Despite the original issues, It also shed light on the tension between tech entrepreneurs and major news companies. It posed some difficult questions, such as how far a media company can go in its attempts to generate profits without violating the copyrights and trademarks held by an established company. The case ultimately ended in a victory for Musk, but it also showed that similar issues may continue to arise between media companies and tech entrepreneurs. The courts ultimately come down on the side of power and enforcing the existing rights of corporations, but the trend of tech entrepreneurs challenging the status quo is likely to continue.